Chair of Drug Science, David Nutt.
Greetings, this is Dennis McKenna.
I'm Lucy Stafford.
Adam Winstock.
Dr. Ben Cecil.
Neil Woods.
Dr. Simon Ruffle.
Jerry Stimson.
Mike J.
Jesse Gould.
Keith Abraham.
Dr. Kate Pate.
Nathan Paul.
Mitch Schultz.
Crispin Blunt.
Dr. Chloe Sakal.
Chris Timmerman.
Alex Dimmock.
Roland Griffiths.
Joe Neal.
This is Matt Johnson.
Bryce Pardo.
David Nichols.
Steve Rolls.
Mubin Azar.
Dr. David Luke.
Peter Sherstick Hughes.
Peter Krykat.
The work drug science does to provide evidence-based drug information without political or commercial interference is so important, so that in future, medical cannabis patients like me are not criminalised and have legal access to potentially life-changing medicines.
One of the amazing things about drugs is everyone has a different perspective. And what drug science does is it brings all of those perspectives together under the branch of good science that is objective and non-judgmental and is respectful of the decisions that people make in the world.
I'm a firm believer of drug science. I believe the work they're doing to find an unbiased scientific approach, looking at drug policy and how we can move forward in a non-prohibitionist world is extremely important, and I support that work wholeheartedly.
Drug Science are the organisation trying to put science back into drug policy.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed Season 2 of the Drug Science Podcast. In all, we released 26 episodes this season, spanning from mescaline to synthetic opiates, meditation to chemsex, and everything in between. Please leave us a review if you've enjoyed the podcasts. We always read these reviews and are looking forward to some suggestions on how to improve in Season 3. The other way to get in touch is to direct message Drug Science on Twitter. We are about to take a short break to work on some other exciting projects. The podcast will return in 2021, but in the meantime, we're working on recording exclusive insights about the newest and most exciting clinical trials going on right now. We will be hosting expert talks from international thought leaders, and our student group will be getting off the ground to lobby draconian university policies. If you want to learn more about these projects, then keep an eye out on the Drug Science website and social media accounts. I'd also like to give a huge thanks to our community members. The Drug Science community members are what keeps us going, and without you, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. To reward our monthly donors, we have some very exciting exclusive content coming up shortly. And we would like to invite each and every donor to the House of Lords Drug Science Summer Reception, assuming the whole COVID thing is over by then. For those of you who are not yet supporting Drug Science, it's not too late. All you need to do is click through the link at the top of these show notes, and you too will be able to join us in London on the 6th of May. We hope all of you will join us for Season 3 of the Drug Science Podcasts. But in the interim, stay safe, trust evidence over politics, and follow Drug Science.